Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how you can choose automatic downloads for a video and photos in HD quality. So if you want to do that, just go into the settings, and once you're here, just scroll down to storage and data, and here you can choose the auto download quality. So this one, if you choose standard quality, all the photos will be downloaded in standard quality, whereas if you choose all the HD quality, you'll receive all the downloads in HD quality. So all these files will be downloaded. I have also chosen the media auto download option. Here I have chosen videos will be downloaded only through Wi-Fi. So even if somebody is sending me HD quality files, it will only download once I am using a Wi-Fi. Okay, and whereas photos I'm using Wi-Fi and cellular. So you can go ahead and choose auto download quality as HD. It's no problem because it will only download when I'm using a Wi-Fi. So this is something that you can do as well on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, do like and also subscribe to my channel. I make similar tech content like this. Thank you and have a nice day.